Your breakfast is a biochemical masterpiece. Hello, I am Mark from Mentivia. Have you ever stopped to think about the incredible chemistry happening right on your breakfast plate? Every bite you take is packed with amazing molecules, specifically macromolecules that are essential for your body to function, grow, and have energy. Today, we're going to explore the real-life application of these vital macromolecules in your daily nutrition, starting with the most important meal of the day. We'll look at how carbohydrates provide quick energy, how proteins support muscle repair and enzyme activity, and how lipids contribute to long-term energy storage and cell membrane structure. By examining common breakfast foods, we'll uncover the molecular foundations of nutrition and how your body transforms these compounds into fuel and function. This is where biology meets your morning routine. Let's start with carbohydrates. These are your body's primary source of quick energy. They come in simple forms like the sugars in fruit and juice, and complex forms such as the starches found in oats, bread, and cereals. When you eat carbohydrates, your body breaks them down into glucose, which is then used by your cells for immediate fuel. Fiber, a type of complex carbohydrate, is also crucial for digestive health. Next up, proteins. These are the building blocks of your body. They're vital for growth, repairing tissues, making enzymes, hormones, and other essential body chemicals. A typical breakfast might include proteins from eggs, milk, yogurt, or even bacon. When you consume protein, your digestive system breaks it down into amino acids, which your body then rearranges to build its own proteins. Now, let's talk about lipids. Commonly known as fats, while often misunderstood, lipids are crucial for long-term energy storage, insulating your organs, and absorbing fat-soluble vitamins. They also form the membranes around your cells. Think about the butter on your toast, the avocado on your plate, or the fats in full-fat dairy products. These provide concentrated energy and help with many bodily processes. And finally, while not a primary energy source in the same way, nucleic acids are present in all the whole foods you eat. DNA and RNA are the genetic blueprints found in every living cell, whether it's from a plant or an animal. So, when you eat a piece of fruit or an egg, you're also consuming tiny amounts of nucleic acids, which your body can break down and reuse. So, when you sit down for breakfast, you're not just eating food, you're consuming a carefully crafted mix of macromolecules. A balanced breakfast, like one with whole grain toast, eggs, and fruit, provides a fantastic combination. Carbohydrates for immediate energy, proteins for sustained energy and repair, and lipids for long-term fuel and nutrient absorption. Understanding the macromolecules in your food helps you make informed choices for a healthy diet. Each type plays a unique and indispensable role in keeping your body running efficiently. It's truly amazing how these tiny molecular structures contribute to your overall well-being and energy levels throughout the day. From the simple sugars that give you a quick boost to the complex proteins that build and repair, macromolecules are the unsung heroes of your plate. So, next time you enjoy your breakfast, remember the incredible molecular machinery at work, powering your day from the very first bite. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep learning with us, make sure to click the subscribe button. It's the best way to stay updated with new content. For even more free educational resources, including e-learnings, videos, and articles, visit mentivia.com. It's your one-stop destination for exploring science, history, and much more.